All right, guys, thanks for sticking around for the end of day webinar today. It's August 8th, 2017. I'm going to cover the 4 trades that I took today on the stream. Pretty decent day today, despite the fact that I'm extremely sick. I actually have the flu, and I somehow managed to stick it out the whole day. I thought maybe I would, for the first time ever, take the afternoon, but I just couldn't stay away, guys. We had a couple of good opportunities, and we went 2 for 2 in the afternoon. So really good day, really good month so far, guys. 2 losses and 15 wins. Even though actually I'll say that one of them was kind of a flat actually. Where was that? Today we had one that didn't quite work out and I got out really quickly right there, DEPO. DEPO I got first trigger, first target in, and then I ended up covering the rest. That was probably closer to a flat. But overall, what a great week, guys. What a great start to the month. Let's start with, you know what? I didn't actually trade CLRB today, but I did. Someone actually messaged me today, just 5 minutes ago, and said, thank you so much for saying what you said about CLRB, because I saw all the other chat rooms buying it through $2, and instead of being a sheep to them, I followed your advice and shorted it, and actually made money. So, guys, in no planet that I've ever lived on is this chart look anywhere even close to being a long. So, you know, just feel bad for the people that are buying these types of charts thinking that they're following the right people, and we'll either short them if we get a signal or at least not lose money on them, right? In this case, I didn't actually take a short on it. I did notice the hidden seller at 2. It was very apparent when all the volume came in from the chat rooms buying it. This hidden seller at 2 soaked up all the size, and then they kind of popped it up one last time, and I tried at 99, and it didn't fill me, and I just thought that, like I mentioned in chat, guys, I thought that it might take about an hour or 2 to reach our target of 175. When if you're shorting at 195, it's like 20 cents, 10-cent risk. It just wasn't the best risk-reward scenario. So my ideal situation in this one was I was actually hoping that they would get away with the pump on it, and then I was going to look for something closer to 240 for a short. So CLRB, I just didn't see a huge amount of value in shorting and chasing it short on the failed 2 break. So actually, even though I took the borrows on it, I ended up not trading it. But according to some people that messaged me today, you did get on the right side of that one by shorting it. So congrats. But my first trade today was on TWLO. This was kind of unfortunate. It was good and bad. A little unfortunate because I wanted to actually get in 388 average was what I was after on this one. And so what I did was I spread out a few orders. I put one at 78, one at 88, and one at just over 90. And I was just kind of looking to get filled on this push. After this huge rejection here, I was looking to get basically short on a lower high. So... but I only got a partial fill for 1/3 at 88. But amazingly, I mean, as lucky as this is, I guess, well, preparation met opportunity. I wouldn't call it luck, but it was a really, really fast move. 88 short to 91, almost a full point in 2 minutes. So even though it was only a partial fill, a nice little start to the day there in TWLO. Second trade I took today was DEPO. This one I knew I was going to... This one I thought was going to be a bit of trouble, and the reason why, guys, is as you know, I typically do not trade between 11:15 and 1:15 is the worst time to trade. I'll show you why. I mean, look at any chart today. Look at CAR, CAR. Where's the best action on this chart today, guys? First 2 hours of the day, we got an amazing move on it. And then look what happens between 11:15 and 1:15. Just total nonsense, right? Just chop, failed follow through. People people tend to get caught up like this. They'll be like, okay, short the VWAP break. Oh, okay, never mind. Stop out through 31.10. Oh, look, it's a breakout. Go long 31.10. No, it's not working. Stop out. So, there's just a lot of chop in there. And look at the same thing with, look at any other chart that we were watching today, and you'll find the same thing. There's just nothing you can do. I mean, at least for me, I find that in my experience, I'm going to speak for myself there. I think it's arrogant to actually... say that there's only one way of doing things. I do think that there are ways you can make money in the afternoon. And if you do have a way of doing it that you're comfortable with and that works for you, then by all means. But for me, I think that preserving the mental capital in the middle part of the day, having a lunch break and just taking a little break is the best way to go. HTZ. Notice how a huge, beautiful move in the morning, followed by nothing but chop in the afternoon. And then guess what? As soon as 1:30 hits, boom. big moves start happening again, volume picks up, good things happen. So with DEPO, I took a chance on it. I knew it was the wrong time of day for me, so I was very conservative with the exits. Took my first cover on the short at 675, at 66. And then as soon as this didn't do what I thought I wanted it to do, basically what I wanted to see, guys, was a lower high just under 670. And when I put that doji in, it held over 670 and started to put more of a curl in. I just said screw it and basically covered the rest flat as best I could towards flat. So 76 and 79. So I mean, I think that one was basically a flat, maybe a small gain overall. But next trade after that was TEVA. That was going into 2 p.m. today. So again, look at TEVA. Same thing, you know, same lesson there. Although actually TEVA was a decent trender throughout the afternoon. I really like the entry we got in this one at 68. This was pretty clear risk reward scenario, guys. I mean, I was looking at a chart here that's telling me, hey, we can short this at 68. We can risk 8 cents, and we're looking for, you know, 50, 40, 50 cent reward. So really good risk reward scenario on this one. And because we have some after hours potential trading to do, I'm not going to go over the exact signal on this one right now, but I'll go over it another time or tomorrow. But you guys, I mean, I basically explained it in real time as best I could. Really nice trade there, guys. Really low risk, nice outcome. Best cover I got in that one was, I was trying for 24. Best cover I got was 34. Okay. TEVA was a really good one. And I'm just going to wrap this up quickly because we've got some after hours stuff to take care of. But final trade today was HTZ. And how about the entry on that one? Once again, pretty much dead top. Didn't even go 1 cent against us, guys. HTZ, short 38, covers at 23. Okay, so short here. I pretty much drew out the pattern right on the stream that I was looking for, which played out essentially. Anyway, short was 14.38. Really tight stop. Basically, if it broke, 45, I'd be out. So basically 7 cent stop max. But as soon as it started to work, we moved the stop to 41. So it's basically a 3 cent risk trade. Covers at 14.23, 14.13. So really nice covers, guys. Despite being, an absolute mess today physically with this flu, I couldn't be happier with how the trades played out. And the market's been extremely, extremely generous to us, guys. So let's keep this momentum going forward tomorrow. And keep the green streak alive with 1 to 4 or 5 perfect trade setups a day. Just nail them where we can. And yeah, let's just keep doing it, guys. I'm going to hang around with you guys in after hours a little bit just to see if there's any action, because every day this week there's been some pretty good after hours moves. Congratulations to all of you. And